Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. So one of our wonderful followers raised one wonderful questions. I have been involving in background verification process almost 9 years, but this is the first time I received a wonderful and really amazing question. Okay, I am going to answer for that questions in this video. So the question is, what will happen if twins onboarded in software company? What will happen if twins selected in the software company? This is the question he raised, and almost I really appreciate him. So this is interesting questions. Always to raise interesting questions in the comment. There are multiple people raising the same comment. Okay, that is why I'm not responding. I don't have time also. And if you ask any crystal clear different unique questions, definitely I will make video for that. Coming to this point, and what will happen if twins onboarded, twins selected in the IT industry, how they will do the background verification process. First of all, for twins, almost 99% of parameters and documents will be same. Their father name will be same and their address also will be same. They will study in same school, same college and same address. Everything will be same. Okay, especially for freshers, almost 99% of parameters will be same. How they will do the background verifications? So this is challenging questions, and how they will be allocated in the software companies in projects, in the especially project, how they will allocate in the project. We are connecting through video right now, so if both the persons will shuffle or switch their face, definitely no one can identify immediately. And actually really wonderful questions. Now coming to the point, in this situation, as I mentioned, almost 99% of documents parameters will be same. In background verification process, they will assign one executive to do the background verification for both the people. Okay, they will assign one resource. They will verify each and every parameters parallelly. Okay, and also they verify the address digitally in same direction, in same time. And also each and every parameter, educational and schooling, college, each and everything, they will do the verification parallel. If they done the background verification for first person, immediately they will do for background verification second person, which means parallelly they will do the background verification. They will assign one people and they will try to do the background verification completely and parallelly. So this is the answer. And coming to the onboarding process, okay, onboarding process is a little bit challenging. They can work in one company, but they should not be in same project. Mostly HR people will not assign in the same project because that will confuse the client. Okay, when they interact with them, when they assign the task, it will be very difficult to recognize the face in video. Even though if they physically interact with them, definitely physically they will not identify the face and recognize the people. Okay, and they will be in same company, but they will be assigned in different project. Okay, thank you so much for asking this question, and always subscribe and support and share this video. Thank you so much, Priya.